Hello and welcome back to Learn English Slow for Beginners. Please relax and enjoy Lesson 3. Let the English words come to you slowly and calmly. Try not to memorize anything. Let us begin. Here are the 12 English words for today. Just listen. Do not repeat. Go, come, here, there, home, work, sit, stand, walk, stop, now, later. Good. Now we will say the same words together. Please listen to the 12 English words again and repeat them after me. Go, go, come, come, here, here, there, there, home, home, work, work, sit, sit, stand, stand, walk, walk, stop, stop, now, now, later, later. Very good. Take your time. Now we will listen to some joined words. You can repeat them if you like. Go there. Go later. Come later. Come home. Sit here. Sit there. Stand here. Stand there. Come now. Walk now. Walk home. Work today. Stop work. Stop here. Good. Let us continue. Now, listen to a simple story using all of the 12 English words. Hello. Good morning. I am here. You come here now. We stand there. We walk to work. Stop here now. You sit here. I go there now. Later I go home. You come home later. Good day. Very good. Let us listen to the 12 English words one more time. Go, come, here, there, home, work, sit, stand, walk, stop, now, later. Excellent. Okay, this is the end of lesson 3. You did very well today. Relax now, and I will see you for lesson 4. Goodbye. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe.